The Canv Concept Backpack is an excellent choice for any avid photographer or videographer on the go. This backpack has been put to the test and has proven to be a reliable and durable choice. After being flown over 3,500 kilometers in 2 planes, carried through 2 airports, and driven over 1,000 kilometers, it held up impressively. The backpack was able to securely accommodate the DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI Air 2S with their controllers and batteries, as well as other essential items. Even with all of the equipment inside, the backpack still felt comfortable on the back, making it easy to walk through the airports, board and deboard the planes, and carry around the country. In addition to the larger equipment, the Canv Concept Backpack was also able to hold a DJI Pocket 2, Insta360X3, DJI Action 3, and other assorted items.
Carried. Pocket 2, phone, Wi-Fi, X3, Action, headphones, LED light. Oops. The main section. In here, laptop. See, this thing here. The only problem I've had with it is every time you open it, things fall out. Needs a bit of I'm going to need some Velcro here. But otherwise, let's see. Mini 3 Pro. RC controller for the Air 2S under here. Air 2S. And batteries. Air 2S battery. Air 2S battery. Mini 3 battery. That's the long version. And here, where the sphere goes. Again, the only problem I had is open this, things fell out all the time. Every time. Every time.
Overall, the Canv Concept Backpack is a highly recommended choice for anyone in need of a sturdy and reliable backpack to carry their photography or videography equipment on the go.
Would you like to know more?
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. To keep up with future videos, please subscribe. This is the Two Boomers.